Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we are doing our battle of the boxes. You guys want to see what I got in here? Who is the best subscription box of this month, whether it's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or my Boxy Premium? Well, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I actually had the pleasure of unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in a PR unboxing and my Boxycharm Premium in my PR unboxing. And I thoroughly did enjoy my Boxycharm this month. I thought it was a pretty good box for the most part. My Ipsy, it was Ipsy. It wasn't the most exciting, but I also had the privilege of picking out 3 out of the 5 items for my Ipsy. So I actually feel like this will be a better month for Ipsy compared to my PR unboxing. I just put a lot of skincare for my PR one. So we're just going to go ahead and dive straight on into this. So first things first, we have a little Ipsy right here. Now this does retail for $25 a month. You do get 5 full-size items with I want to say retail value is over 100, and you get 3 out of the 5. You get to pick out 3 of the customizations. Now, sometimes you are limited on what you can pick out. Things sell really quickly, and they only give you a small sort of category, but I do like the fact that you do have a choice. I feel like Boxycharm should implement that a lot more than what they do. All right, so first things first, we do have a little Santa sack, and the first thing we got in here is a, Haas Laboratory. This is in the shade Drama. You are I'm assuming it's it's Risque. Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper. Oh, this is not a lip product. This is a brow. What? Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper. Wait, this is not a liquid lip? Oh, no. It's a black brow and eye topper. Lash Sparkler Topper. I don't have black brows. I have black eyelashes, but that wouldn't necessarily work for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my No Waste Wednesday, just because I know this would definitely not get a use at all. But could you guys imagine? Okay, next we have something from Pixie. This is a Clarity Lotion. Ceramide and Willow bark. So this is oil-free moisturizer. Nice. It has willow bark extract that clears and reduces the appearance of pores. Ceramide and pea, which provides time-release moisturizer. Cologne, which is oil-absorbing and mattifying. Okay, this is really cool. It's a hydrating light lotion. Oil-free formula boosts hydration while minimizing the appearance of pores and keeping complexion shine-free. It's for all skin types. Okay, that's really cool. I actually really do like Pixie as a brand. You guys can find them at any drugstore. So I'm actually going to give this a go for myself to see if it works. I've not tried this product, but if it's supposed to be for oily-free and it's supposed to have a time release to help control the oil and moisturize the face, I'm always down to give that a go. Next, we do have something from... I just got done filming my 21 Days of Beauty, and I think it's so funny this is in here. Okay, so we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in the shade Taupe. I think it's fantastic. Like, I think it's great to put it in here, but I just don't know if I'm going to actually use this. I tend to use a lot of clear brow gel now, just because you can go wrong so quickly by using the wrong brow gel color. It can just, I found out the hard way. So I tend to just now use clear brow gel. I just feel like it's the safest bet for me. I don't know. So I think I'm probably going to put that into my No Waste Wednesday. Okay, so next we have a Dose of Colors. This is Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Light. I actually got 2 of these because of Boxycharm. And you guys told me just to mix the 2 together, so that's what I did. So I definitely don't need a 3rd one because, like I said, I do have 2 already sitting in my drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and definitely add this to a No Waste Wednesday just because I would not get a use out of it just because I have so many concealers and I'd hate for it to go to waste, you know? But that's actually fantastic. And last but not least, we do have a Goldafand MD. This is a Solution Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. You guys told me this is a pretty expensive product. Remember you guys told me this was a pretty expensive product, that it's good, but And I already have one of these, so I think I'll definitely keep this one because the other one I already put in my No Waste Wednesday. So I think you guys are telling me this is a really good product, pretty expensive, but that is everything that we got in here, and I don't have anything bad to say because we got 3 makeup products and we got 2 skincare. So that's actually really, well, I guess you can kind of consider this a makeup product because it's a primer. So that's actually fantastic. I do really like how they did that. And this is why I love when I get to pick my Ipsy products because they have more makeup options. So I actually overall am enjoying this box. I'm happy that I got it. And though I'm not keeping majority of it, I'm still happy that I got it. So not a bad box. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, so moving on to Boxycharm Premium. Alrighty, so Boxycharm Lucky. The first thing that I see in here is, ooh, this is Caprese. This is Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer and Shimmer Palette Set. This pairing pack technology forward. This pairing pack technology forward skincare first illumination and shimmer. This illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. Retails for $145. My ass. What the crap? What? Okay, so I have to say this very lovingly. How do they determine the price point when it's made specifically for Boxycharm? I feel like they may up the price just because they're saying it's made for Boxycharm. I don't know. I could be wrong saying that, but this is made exclusively for Boxycharm. It's not for resale, although I feel like they don't realize that people just go on Poshmark and Mercury and stuff like that and resell this stuff anyway. But here is the palette right here. Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer and Shimmer Palette. We have got to look at this. I, honest to God, have never even heard of this brand. So here we have the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. I really do like the packaging. It's actually really, really beautiful. And then we have the eye palette right here. Beautiful packaging. I do like that. When you open it up, oh my God. Okay, wow. I was not expecting that. Here we have the eye shimmers right here. Holy shikes. Do you guys see that? That is beautiful. Oh my God. These are beautiful. I gotta dive into this sun glazed. Do you guys see that? That's how it's swatched. All right, let's take a little bit of this eye serum drop. Let's put a little serum. Rub the serum in. Okay, rubbing the serum. Doesn't really have a smell. Rub the serum in, and then now let's take one of these eye shimmers. We'll go into Sun Glitter. Okay, I see what they're talking about now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I put down that. So this is the first shade. This is the Sun Glitter that I swiped, right? This is without the eye serum. Then I put the eye serum down. Do you guys see that? That is blinding. I see what they did there. Okay, wow. That's actually really beautiful. The way the light hits it, it feels like it alters the color just a little bit because this is more of a pinky. The second I put that on there, it definitely alters the color, but oh my God. Bitch, that shine though. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't think this is worth $145. I really don't think that it's worth that price point. I don't know why they're marketing at such an expensive price point, but I do like the concept behind it. So that is actually really cool. I can't get over that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Definitely really expensive. I think they're lying about the price point, but I do like that. So. All right, next we got a Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BH Drops. I kept this for myself because it's supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, while Radiance promoting retinol smooths and revitalizes your skin and helps to control like excessive oil. This retails for $48. I kept it for myself, so I actually am going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday because I don't need 2 of them, but I'm excited. I still have not tried it yet because I tried the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle product, and I don't know if it's because my period's starting or what, but my face broke out so much. I have bob right here. It disappeared, but I now have a pimple right here, and I also broke out right here, and I don't know if it's because of that moisturizer or what, so I didn't want to give this a go just yet. I didn't want to switch up my routine too much, especially so close to my period, so I definitely am excited to give this a go, but that's going to be good to add to the No Waste. All right, next we have the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. Again, I kept this for myself, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to the No Waste Wednesday. But this retails for $48. I think it's so pricey. You get 4 brushes for $48. They feel so cheap. I have not used them, but they feel very cheap and lightweight. I think it's what, $12 a brush. Just it's pricey, but it's gonna go my No Waste Wednesday, so it does go to a good home. Next we have the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. This retails for $26. This smells like peppermint. It smells divine. It tastes divine. And this is also going to go into my No Waste Wednesday because I kept that one for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in there, and somebody gets to kiss my liquid balm to go with it. All right, next we have a Haas Laboratory. This is the Rip Liner. This is in the shade Neat. Ooh, I actually have been using the Rip Lip Liner in my last few times I've been wearing like a neutral lip. I've been wearing it. It is so creamy. It is so divine, and it's $16. I absolutely love it. I think it's worth it. So this is in the shade Neat. Oh, it's a brown. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh my God. I really do like the formula on this. I'm definitely going to be checking out this brand more for the lip liner because I think the lip liners are fantastic. They work beautifully. All right, and the last but not least, oh God. Oh gosh. We have the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. We have a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant water with a breathable natural finish for $44. Okay, guys, I really don't care too much when Boxycharm and or Ipsy puts in like a complexion product because I feel like they can never really get the match perfectly. This is in the shade Bamboo. I feel like this would be a little bit too deep. Also, I've tried out this foundation in a TJ Maxx haul because they featured this foundation all over TJ Maxx. You can find so many of the Becca foundations inside TJ Maxx. Oh my God. I could put this on. I look like a Oompa Loompa. This would definitely not match me in the slightest. Okay, so yeah, I tried out this foundation and it was just not a good looking foundation, but I did last all day. But you can find this foundation inside TJ Maxx. You can find it for like, what, $6 to $7. I don't think this really retails for $44. Not to mention, since Becca is going out of stock, a lot of their products are already 50% off the website. And if you just wait a little longer, there'll be even more bigger sales and you could just go to TJ Maxx. So I don't think this was a good ad inside this box, unfortunately. Definitely not a good match. So this will be going into my No Waste Wednesday. But yeah. So like I said in my last Boxycharm unboxing, I like that they put majority makeup in the premium compared to skincare. You guys know how I feel about that. But I think the most intriguing thing is the Caprice Illuminating Eye Primer Serum Shimmer Palette. I think this is a really beautiful palette. I do not think this is worth $145. I think they're lying by the price point. There's no freaking way, especially since this is made exclusively for Boxycharm. There's no way this is $145. I think they're lying. I think this is like a $50 set, in my personal opinion. But overall, not a bad box. Not a bad box. So having to pick the winner between who has the better subscription box this month, I feel like it's Boxycharm. Honestly, I feel like Boxycharm won this month's box. And the only reason why they won is I feel like they both had a great 3-to-2 ratio when it comes to makeup and skincare. But the reason why I picked Boxycharm is not because this fake $145 set. It's because I like the variety of makeup. You got a foundation, you got a lip gloss, you got a lip liner, you got brushes, whereas Ipsy, you got a brow product, another brow product, and then you got a concealer. I kind of wish it kind of diversified it just a little bit more. I feel like that would have made it one, but overall, I'm happy with both. I'm glad I got both, and I just feel like Boxycharm was just a little bit better this month. So yeah, guys, quick little battle of boxes. I never expect to get Boxypremium ever in PR. It's kind of a shock when I do because it's not like it's not something that I'm ever really told about. It's just a surprise. It's here. So when it does show up, I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm happy to be putting these items in my No Waste Wednesday. I kept everything from our last Boxypremium, so I'm so glad to add more items to it. I hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures. My amazing fiance. Oh, wow. No, my amazing husband, Corey. Oh my gosh. Jesus, I was sitting there thinking about dinner tonight, and I said fiance. But amazing husband, Corey, and a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members right here. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to live my dream. I appreciate each and every single one of you. And to my viewers and my subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumb down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys didn't subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Guys, we are doing our a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24 water and transfer resistant wearable 24. It's $10 a brush, or more than $10 a brush. Oh my god, I am starving like a little bitch. I'm starving.